Physics challenge 2, direct current. Okay, we have another fun here. This rectangle resistor, it's all R. Okay, and point node A and B, we measure the resistance between A and B. So using Kirchhoff's theory, you have to apply voltage and calculate this I. So that way we know V over A equals R. Okay, but here we use smarter way to simplify. Okay, so again it's symmetric. So what's happened is, if you look at this node voltage and this node voltage is same. So if you connect them, there's no current. Doesn't matter, right? So this and this are same. You connect them, so it's going to be same. So we have two parallel, R over 2, R over 2. And next one, R over 2. And next one, talking about this and this, R over 2. Then next one, R over 2. The final, this guy. And here, between this and this, we have two R connected. Right? Because this 2R is connected to C, D. This is C. And this is D. Short circuit area. And another one is this guy and this guy. Again, another resistor. So this one is 2R and 2R. Okay, and this one together, it's R. So we have a, and this guy together, R. So we have a simple circuit now, R, and we have R and 2R, 2R, right? Okay, so this parallel is going to be the R1 equals 1 over R plus 1 over 2R plus 1 over 2R, 1 multiply 2R is going to be 2 plus 1 plus 1 equals half. And this half plus R, so total resistance is 1 plus equals, well, 3 over 2 R. So that's the answer. You got it? Okay. That's the answer. So if you like this video, please check out the videos, and if you like, subscribe.